This is going to be a short guided meditation for beginners, working with the breath, building concentration. So you can find your comfortable meditation posture and allow your eyes to close if you're comfortable doing so. I recommend sitting in a way that is conducive to your practice. So, sitting upright if you're able, bringing some energy into your practice. You don't want to strain or stress, but you do want to invite in some energy and alertness. You can also allow the muscles at the same time to relax around the spine. So, the way I like to do this is as we settle with the inhale, we can imagine energizing the skeleton and spine. And as you exhale, letting the muscles of the shoulder and back kind of relax down. So, taking a few breaths like this, breathing in some alertness and breathing out some ease and relaxation. And we're going to work with the breath in one specific point of the body. So, you can choose a spot. Some people like the tip of the nose, where they can feel the kind of tickle as the air comes in and comes out a little bit warmer. Some people like the chest, where you can feel the expansion and contraction as the body breathes. And some people like the abdomen or belly, can feel that rising and falling with each breath. You don't need to shop around and find the perfect spot, picking whichever one calls to you in this moment. And trying to tune into the actual physical experience in the body. Not our concepts or ideas about the breath, but what does it actually feel like to be breathing here? You can imagine collecting up all of your attention or awareness and placing it here in the body, on the breath. We don't need to pin down our attention or force it to stay there. But seeing if we can kind of gently concentrate, gently collect our attention onto this point in the body. And it can be helpful in your head to offer some noting in and out or rise and fall. Seeing if you can be with the breath from the beginning of the inhale all the way through to the end of the exhale. Just this one breath in front of you. In, out. When the mind wanders off, we don't need to judge it, we don't need to figure it out, we don't need to beat ourselves up. Just gently recollecting that attention or awareness and bringing it back to this point in the body. We always have the opportunity to start again with the breath. Every time the mind wanders off and we bring it back, we're actually strengthening this mindfulness and ability to concentrate or collect our attention. We can see it as an opportunity rather than a problem or a failing. So, coming back as many times as necessary to the breath, in and out. And for this last minute, I want to encourage you to kind of soften your concentration and see if you can feel the breath in the whole body breathing together, in and out.